story to tell. The masterpiece MBT-70 was the world's first tank capable of firing missiles through the barrier, which was expected to become a revolutionary tank during the Cold War. The MBT-70 was a joint project between the US and West Germany in the 1960s. The goal was to build a superior tank system, making use of steel-layered tungsten alloy armor and an inner protective shell comprised of spaced layers of extra-hard uniform drawn steel armor. The MBT-70 was also a tank that carried a lot of extremely modern technology, such as a special hydraulic suspension system. The West German Leopard and the American M60 tank were among the best of the best in the early 1960s. Although different designs, they had good mobility, good firepower, and adequate armor when facing the Soviet Union's armor. In response to the Soviet tank threat, West Germany and the United States decided to jointly develop a new main battle tank with intention of becoming the standard for the West German Bundeswehr and the US Army and Marine Corps. And the MBT-70 project was born. The MBT-70 was a completely new design. Like today's South Korean K2 Black Panther, the MBT-70 had a hydro-pneumatic suspension that allowed the tank to kneel forward or lean backward. This gave the main gun a higher elevation range for distant targets and a lower depression angle for fortified hull-down positions in which the tank would fire from behind protection. The MBT-70 was armed with an impressive main gun. A 152mm cannon replaced the then standard 105mm main gun. The large cannon was intended to give the MBT-70 a huge range advantage when used with new anti-tank missiles, in addition to firing conventional high-explosive rounds. The MBT-70 also had excellent mobility. It had a higher top speed than the Leopard 1, the M60, and all workshop-packed armor. It had better acceleration, and due to its advanced suspension, was easier and more comfortable for the crew to handle at high speeds than preceding tanks at lower speeds. The MBT-70 weighed 50 tons, 9.1 meters long, 3.51 meters wide, and had a height of between 1.99 and 2.56 meters. The tank much heavier than originally anticipated. This was especially a problem for the West Germans. Their infrastructure could not withstand such heavy vehicles. In the end, the MBT-70 was abandoned because of its cost overruns and technological complexity. Based on the MBT-70, the United States later developed the M1 Abrams, and the West Germany developed the Leopard 2 as its new main battle tank.